Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Legends of Runeterra error code 280000. The error reads, Service error. Something went wrong contacting the server. Please check your internet connection and try again. You may contact player support and provide the error code to see if any potential solutions exist. As per our research, this error appears when players try to load the game. Some users shared that they received the error after finishing a game. Also, many players have shared getting the error on both PC and mobile. According to our research, this error is likely related to connectivity issues, either from your network or due to problems on the game server side. The first thing you should try is restarting the client. Simply close the game completely and relaunch it to check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then next, restart your device along with the router. Once both are restarted, open the game again and check for the error. If the error still appears, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot, and see if this helps with the issue. If you still see the error, then reinstall the game. Simply uninstall the game from your device, and then reboot your device, then reinstall the game. Then check if the error still comes. If none of these steps help, then the issue might be on the server side. In that case, we suggest waiting for a few hours and then trying again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.